Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Whew, I have to tell you, it's been a tough week. Working hard, working a lot of hours, finally home on the weekend. And to kind of kick back and relax, got myself a 40-ouncer. I know. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. It's been a tough week. Getting into a 40-ouncer is really what I need right now. I'm going to crack it open and just kick back and relax. I just thought I'd bring you guys along because I'm sure you all work very hard too and you'd like to relax with me. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open. Whew. Long week. Man. Bring this thing down, get my 40-ouncer out of here, and let's just kick back and relax. Oh yeah. There we go. 40 ounces of pure goodness. Tastes so good. Handling this 40 ounces of pure 999 silver. Hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am. This is some good stuff. So actually, guys, I picked this up off of Craigslist. Guy said he wanted $2 over spot, which of course is a good price for American Silver Eagles, but it makes you wonder sometimes too. I met him at a McDonald's, and I took my rare earth magnets, and I took my scale, and I sat down, and I weighed every single one of them, and he brought some latex gloves with him, which I thought was great. He didn't want me touching them without gloves, which really is a good sign that he's taking care of them. But yeah, got him actually for less. Got him for about $1.80 over spot with what I offered him at the time, and he took it. He admitted to me later that the coin shop only offered him $1 over spot. Actually, he told me they were going to only offer him spot. That's right. This guy told me he only was going to get spot for him. So obviously $2 over, or $1.80, what we ended up agreeing to, was a pretty good deal for him. And I cracked them open. I went through every one of them and put it on my scale, my troy ounce scale. Made sure they weighed. Sorry, I didn't let that thing finish tearing out before I threw it on there. 1.01, that's good. And took my rare earth magnets. Now you have to be careful with these. These things are strong and powerful, and you don't want to mess with these things. Got some right here. They're hard to get off from each other. They stick to each other very well. And take my rare earth magnet, put it on there sideways, and it should run very slow, just like that. So my light's bouncing off that pretty bad, isn't it? So let me move this. So you should see that happen. Very, very slow. Just trickle down. And so I did that on every single one of them. I weighed every one, and I did the magnet test on every one, and picked up 40 of them. So I got myself a 40-ouncer. What do you guys think about that, huh? Is that pretty cool or what? And I actually went back and I bought another tube off them, and those I even got for a few cents cheaper. I honestly wish I would have bought all 6 tubes off them, because at that kind of price I probably could have made at least a few bucks. Could have sold them locally, and got probably $2 to $2.50 for each coin. I'm just not into flipping right now. Things I buy I'm looking to buy for myself, and it's a lot of effort to flip, but I should start, because I need to support my habit, and buying something and making a few bucks off it's definitely a good thing to do. But that's it. I just thought you guys would enjoy a night of having a 40-ouncer with me and kick back, relax, and enjoy it. I hope you appreciate this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate you doing that as well. And as always, let's keep talking bullion.